it's Pippa here, vlogging solo. I'm in a premierinn plus room in Greenwich, London. I'm here on my own, no Pete. He stayed at home. I've got a Greek dance event tomorrow, which is celebrating 100 years of classical Greek dance. It's not only Disney that is having 100 years this year, but we thought we would put this up as a little vlog to show you a premierinn plus room. So this cost me £158, and I wanted to treat myself. It was only £15 more than a normal room. I have just checked in downstairs, and because there's some refurbishment work going on in the hotel, I've actually been given a free breakfast tomorrow morning, so yes. Very happy about that. I was going to go out and grab a pack of croissants or something, but now I don't need to do that. So let's show you the room. I'm sure we're all used to what a normal premierinn room looks like, but this is what the plus version looks like. So first of all, you get ultimate Wi-Fi for free, well, included, rather than the standard one. And let me turn you around and we'll show you the room. We're in room 311. As I always say, door. There we go. So as we come in, it's a slightly different colour palette to the normal premierinns. So we've got the usual stuff in the doorway. So we've got cut hooks, we've got makeup mirror, sort of little dressing table-y type thing, a full-length mirror that does give you nuclear lighting. We've got a hairdryer, and around the corner there's a ironing board and iron and extra blankets and whatnot there. We've got a hanging space here which is illuminated, and extra towel down there, a little storage cupboardy bit up there, and let's look in the bathroom, which is not bad actually. There we go. So it's a bit posher. So the fixtures and fittings are sort of the same, but we get slightly posher hand wash. So we've got Baylis and Harding Oud, Cedar and Amber hand wash. Spotlessly clean as usual, what you expect from a premierinn. You've got a hand towel and a bath towel. And I have to say, a shower that is big enough for 4 people. So, you know, have a party, everyone. And then what have we got in here? We've got, again, we have shampoo and body wash. What's that? Let's have a look. Yep. Oh, lavender. Oh, that doesn't do well for me. Won't be using that. Makes me feel a bit queasy. But it's a really decent size. It seems a little bit bigger, perhaps, than a normal one. And a bin. And as we come out into the room, we've got a bench or somewhere to put your luggage. Decent sized TV. Nicer carpet, I have to say. Very comfy looking bed. Oh, I can really spread out tonight, can't I? We've got some abstract kind of something that looks like a 6-year-old could have done it, but apparently this lady did it. Sorry if I sound a little bit naive, or yeah, I don't really get art. If anyone gets that, please tell me what that's kind of meant to represent. I'm not really sure, but anyway, right, bashing on. We've got some plugs and some USBs. Excellent. And a reading light. Does that move? Yes, moves. Lovely. And a little storage thing for your phone and whatnot when you're asleep. Same on the other side. Oh, a USB. Nice one, premierinn. And I'm guessing this is movable. Could you have it right by the bed? Yes, I guess you could. Shift it about. Or you could have it by this very nice, comfy looking chair. That's quite nice. And then this is a bit more plush. So I've got a comfier looking chair. Kind of looks like the Mastermind chair, but in pale grey. We've also got a posher tea and coffee area, which is very nice. We've even got some chocolate. We've got an espresso. Yes, I'm having one of those in a minute. My train journey up here was slightly painful, so I will be having a hot drink. We've got some regular English breakfast tea, and that's peppermint. Kettle glasses, mugs. We do have a fridge, which comes with some complimentary water as well. So I do like it. It's a little tiny step up from a normal one. If you just sort of fancied having something a bit more sort of posh, it does seem slightly more spacious. It's I quite like it actually. For £15 more, I'm actually quite impressed. And I've got a nice view of Greenwich High Road. And the weather has finally turned and given us a bit of blue sky. I contended with broken rails and signalling faults up here, so I'm very glad I'm here and I can now chillax. And I'll let you know how the bed was and how I slept in the morning. Morning. Well, that wasn't a bad night's sleep. The bed was comfy, pillows were good. I was just a bit hot. It's quite a thick duvet and I'm used to a bit of a thinner one. That's just me being fussy though. The aircon was a bit strange. I couldn't quite get it to work properly. I mean, if Pete had been here, maybe he would have tinkered with that a bit more. It seemed to make one half of the room cold and nice and fresh, and then the other half warm. So I don't quite know what was going on there, but not to worry. All in all, a nice night's sleep. I would definitely pay that little bit more for a plus room. But now it's time for breakfast. Well, it's a few days later and I'm back at home. I didn't finish off the vlog at the hotel because I had to get up and out to the dance event that went so brilliantly. My girls did me absolutely proud. So a very good day was had by all. But would I stay at the Premier Inn again? In Greenwich, yes. Plus room, definitely. For £15 more than worth it. Whether it's always £15 more, I don't know, it might be more at some point, but yes, I found it worth it. The breakfast, you've just seen some stills and it was really, really good. For a small buffet, the choice was incredible. So again, highly recommended. So thank you, Premier Inn. I had a very good stay. And if I'm ever needed at that area of London again, I will definitely be staying there. So please like, please subscribe, please comment, and oh, hang on, I think you've got a visitor. Oh, I can't do anything in peace, can I?
No.
I thought you were working out.
I am in a sec.
Sure. So please like, please subscribe. Our next series won't be long. We will be going on the Disney Wish. We've got to fly over to Florida for that one. So
yeah, Caribbean.
Join us for that one, can't wait. And yes, celebrating a rather large birthday for me.
Yeah, the next vlog up will probably be a Blackthorn Airbnb vlog.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so look out for that.
Yep, we stayed at an Airbnb as a little
mini break.
For my birthday. So
Yay.
It was lovely. So yeah, look out for that one. So see you soon. Bye.
Thank you very much for watching.
Please like, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed that video, why not check out this one here?
And we also have some playlists, and here's one here. We'll see you there.
Bye.